enjoy.
Welcome back, family. I just want to quick come into the kitchen. Yes, Sunday morning breakfast. Yeah, guys, if you have not fixed your scrambled egg this way, oh, you are missing out big time. Once you try this recipe, you will never go back again. All right, guys? So without further wasting of any time, let's head right into it. This scrambled egg, we are going to be featuring two major items, ingredients, garlic and ginger. Have you ever had ginger in your scrambled egg before? If you haven't, you are in for it. So in your mildly heated pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon minced ginger and 1 teaspoon minced garlic. These, by the way, are homemade. Yes, repeat, homemade minced ginger and garlic. And if you want to know how you can also make this in your own very kitchen, guys, check out my video on Lifetime Investment in Your Health, episode 2, released today. You want to saute that ginger and garlic until it becomes fragrant and translucent. Low medium heat, guys. You don't want to burn out the flavonoids, the ginger oil in these ingredients. That is the medicinal properties that you want to have
Onions,
an impactful
tomatoes,
benefit in your body
pepper,
once you
and
consume this food.
that goes in.
The food that we eat is not just to satisfy our hunger. It should provide added value of medicine into our body, healing properties into our body, detoxifying. Guys, I'm gonna stop right there. Check out my lifetime investment for you to get the nutritional benefits of all your consumables. Now, I have a mixture of veggies here: the red and the green bell pepper, the sweet tomatoes, and half chopped onions, all chopped in cubes for uniformity, and of course aesthetic. Ooh, you get it right, guys. The food has to be colorful. If your food is bland, that is a very big question, guys. Where is the nutrient in that composition? The more colorful your food is, the higher nutritional value, because all those different colors are providing various types of elements, vitamins, and flavonoids that will culminate to a very, very impactful health benefits to your body.
A pinch of nutmeg, some cilantro, it's optional. Some baby spinach that goes in, just like so. Habanero pepper that goes in. Yes, we love pepper here. So guys, I have 6 eggs and I have sprinkled smoked chili sea salt. Cheese, shredded cheese. It's gonna go in. I'll get about 1 baby spinach. All it needs is a little heat. That's all. You know, you can actually eat it raw. So you can eat it raw, blend it, drink it. add it to your salad multiple ways. You can incorporate baby spinach. You know, spinach is gonna have its day. Yeah, guys, you can go ahead and use the whisk, but right now I am going in with a fork. Quick and easy way to whisk your egg. The cheese is embedded into it, and that goes in. So reduce the heat. Going to cover this up so with the steam everything can cook up quickly, and be ready to take it out. Push the edges inside, give more room for the liquid egg to flow out. This is a healthy dose of breakfast, lunch or brunch, lunch or dinner. Voila, guys, look at that. A good dose, right? It's gonna be yummy-licious. Amazing. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy. Alright, guys, it's time for us to taste this delicious. Have a dose of this goodness right here, guys. Crusty on the bottom, moist, delicious. This is beautiful, beautifully delicious, guys. You gotta try this egg. Beautiful and delicious. Sorry guys, I can't stop eating it. You're welcome to join me. The recipe is gonna be listed in the description box. Hook this up for yourself and your family and have a great investment in your health. Fresh, crispy vegetables. The egg is moist, delicate, and toasty at the bottom. Thank you. I trust you are going to make use of this recipe and make it your own and just have a fantabulous time with it, knowing that you are investing in your health portfolio for a lofty reward for tomorrow. Thank you all for joining us again on this session.
Remember to support this channel with your like, subscribe, and share the videos. Guys, there is more coming from Mama Niger's kitchen, and you will never have a dull moment. Until next time, thank you, Obulu, Bye bye.